talking? You tell me a story? Ella. Can you talk to me? Hey, look at me. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Oh, can you talk to me? Hi. Oh, yes? Are you feeling better today? Your tummy feel better? That's good. Glad to hear it. Yeah, I know. You're tired. You haven't been napping good today. I know. Are you just not tired? What is it? What's the story? How come you don't want to go to sleep? Keep yawning. You keep yawning. Yep, that's my point. Someone needs to take a nap. I think that someone's name is Ella. What do you think? Oh, you don't like that idea? Why not? Just too many things to see, too many things to do? You're just like zoned out for the camera. Yeah, hi. Hi, I know I love you. So cute. Are you gonna talk? Gonna say something? Oh. Oh, really? Oh my goodness. So interesting. You are the girl of 1,000 faces. Yeah.